Hello everyone, welcome to our video on the Pakistan economy. Pakistan is a country located in South Asia with a population of over 200 million people. The country has a rich cultural heritage and a diverse economy. In this video, we will be discussing the current state of the Pakistani economy, its challenges and opportunities. Current state of the Pakistan economy. Pakistan's economy has faced various challenges in recent years, including political instability, energy crisis, and security concerns. However, despite these challenges, the country's economy has shown significant growth in various sectors such as agriculture, manufacturing, and services. The government has also taken various initiatives to improve the economy, including the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor (CPEC) project, which aims to connect China with Pakistan's deep-sea port of Gwadar. Challenges facing the Pakistan economy. Despite the progress made in the Pakistani economy, there are still several challenges that the country faces. These challenges include the high inflation rate, low foreign exchange reserves, high debt burden, and low Human Development Index. These challenges have had a significant impact on the country's economy and its people. Opportunities for the Pakistan economy. Despite the challenges, Pakistan's economy has many opportunities for growth. The country has a young and growing population, a strategic location, and a natural resource-rich economy. Pakistan's tourism sector also has great potential due to its rich cultural heritage and scenic landscapes. The government has also taken initiatives to improve the business environment and attract foreign investment. In conclusion, Pakistan's economy has faced various challenges in recent years, but it also has many opportunities for growth. The country's strategic location, natural resources, and young population make it an attractive destination for foreign investment. The government has also taken initiatives to improve the economy and create a conducive environment for businesses. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of the Pakistan economy. Thank you for watching.